Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sukhmani here. I'm coming back again with my paints to take a few minutes from your busy schedule of lying down. So today we're gonna start with mixing some paints. I've had this ultramarine blue from a painting that I was doing earlier, and we're gonna add some pouring medium in this. And then I'm going to do the same with other colors. If your paint is a little thick, you can add some water and get a proper consistency. For all the colors that I mixed here, I've added a few drops of silicone oil because we want to get those beautiful cells in our painting. And here I've mixed some brilliant purple, neon yellow, ultramarine blue, mauve, sky blue, teal, and obviously some white. And for this I'm gonna add these layers and do a flip cup. But can we just wait and acknowledge how satisfying this looks? And so after the cup, oh my god, what's wrong with me? And so after the cup is half full, we're gonna flip it over on this 12-inch by 12-inch canvas, and you have to wait for like a few minutes because you need some time to get the paint to the canvas. In the meantime, we're just gonna pour this black paint over the rest of the canvas, and it's gonna help like the paint to travel along the canvas and flow easily. Also, I want the paint in our cup to go under the black paint so we get those beautiful cells peeking through the negative space. So you spread it thoroughly and cover the whole thing up. And then you put some gloves. And I go over the sides because we don't want to see the canvas from anywhere. And then you carefully pick up the cup. Ah! I just wanted to do that. So I let the color do its thing for a few minutes, and then I move it over to get a composition that I might like. But for this specific piece, I don't feel like moving a lot. Then you go in with the heat gun and see the magic. Okay, so this is how it turned out, and it looks pretty good, but I think I used a little too much color. Thank you guys, I hope you liked this video, and for more videos please subscribe to my channel. Do like this video and comment below on what you think about flip club. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying inside and washing your hands regularly. Bye guys.